All right, what's up, everyone? To another video, Full Speed Impulse, and today we're back with Crf110 doing a simple video. Let's just get right at it. Let's talk. All right, so it's simple, guys. You went and put bars on your bike, right? You got it all dialed in, and you go to take this grip off your factory bike, and it doesn't want to come off because it seems like they just like super glued or like formed this grip to go onto your throttle tube. And as you can see, getting it off, we butched it up. We get a grip on there, got it to work, and all that. But whenever I do a video and we're replacing cables, doing handlebars, whatever, I always say buy a throttle tube. Like when you're there, let's buy a new throttle tube. Then you don't have to mess with that headache like we usually end up doing because we forget. But today we're back, got a throttle tube, BBR, standard, nothing special. Bam, there's the deal right there, guys. Throttle tube, full-size grip, Crf110, 2019 plus. Got the standard black one there. Let's get this apart. All right, pretty simple. You got two Phillips screws right here. We're gonna back these. Oh man, she's tough. Gonna unscrew these all the way. Drop that screw. All right, so this will come apart just like that. Simple. We might, I might need to get a new gimbal here soon. All right, so we got a throttle tube here. All right, let's see if we can get this all together. That's gonna hook in there like that. I'm gonna hold this off for a second. I'm gonna get the other side hooked up. Bam! She's in there. Okay. Now, I had it. This is the right way, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We got that in there like that. We're gonna say, hey, you come over there like that. Just chill with your buddy like that. Yeah. Way better. And then she locks in like that. All we need is those Phillips screws. And we're in like flint. Test. All right, cool. All right, yeah, put that screw in. Now you're gonna wanna make sure that you only thread it in. Don't even snug it. Just get it in there. And then you're gonna take your other one, put that one in, and then work that back and forth. As far as run that one in a little bit, then come up here, go back and forth. Now you're gonna do a little snug on that one. Go and snug it. Start feeling it pull. Perfect. Okay. Now also, yeah, we got it set in there pretty good, so that should be fine. She's on there. And she twists. All right, there you guys go. Simple video, getting that throttle tube on, but I still want to show you guys everything, just in case you guys have a hard time. But that's it for today's video, guys. We got plenty more upgrades coming. We're doing front suspension on this thing. We're doing a DDM rear shock on the back. And we got a couple more knickknacks to do for a Crf110. Plus, we got more content for our KLX 110. So stay tuned. You guys know the deal. Until next time, we'll see you later.